Aloha. This is a video about how to remove and replace a battery in your C7 Corvette. I have already lifted up my WeatherTech carpet cover and lifted up the carpet from inside the battery box. As you can see, I've removed the styrofoam cover and this plastic box that sits over the top of the positive cable. I've also removed this L bridge. You need to make sure you line this up when you put the new battery in with the terminal clamp so that you'll be able to bolt them back on. Also, this battery holder, when you put the new battery in, hand tighten that so you'll have room for this box to be able to slide back in. Now I'm going to put it back together. Make sure the washers are on the bottom of the bridge. Okay, with the bridge back in place, you'll be able to put the cover back over the positive cable and clamp it down. And then you will replace the styrofoam cover and then replace your carpet, and your new battery is installed. Aloha and stay safe.